fans, Joe Motion Videos 82 here. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to tighten loose joints using plumber's tape. This is very inexpensive. I think I paid $1.29 for this. It's a plastic tape, very easy to work with. All you need is a small screwdriver, a pair of scissors, and the tape. So let's go ahead and take the Joe apart. Okay, barbecue, you're being difficult here, buddy. There we go. All you need to do is snip off just a little bit of the tape. You can pick this up at pretty much any hardware store. I would say any hardware store. So you take a small piece of the tape and kind of make it a little bit thinner so it's not so wide, and wrap it around the shoulder joint. It's self-adhering. Use your scissors to clean it up a bit. Tuck it into all the cracks and crevices. Make sure none of it's sticking out. This will also work on the legs. So all you need to do is put it around the T-hook. And this leg is pretty loose, so we'll go ahead and demonstrate that next. This is the original O-ring. I'm very surprised at the condition that it's in. Very good condition. If you don't drop your screwdriver in the meantime. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Alrighty, once you have the legs separated, go ahead and cut off another piece of tape. Might want this one just to be a little bit longer since you're dealing with a larger socket. Again, fold it. Wrap it around the ball. Smash it down. Okay, when you reattach the leg, you want to see it around the ball. Go ahead and attach the leg. Screw it back together. You have a nice tight leg joint. So yeah, this one is pretty loose. I'll go ahead and do the same thing with that one. Okay, so again, just make sure that the tape is made just a little bit smaller. This takes a little finesse, some practice. This will also work on the modern Joes. With them, you might want to pack an extra piece with the modern up inside the socket here. This is a ball and socket joint, if you remember from your anatomy classes. Yeah, it's too small of a piece. But I was going to demonstrate how big, but it all depends on the size of the Joe. Go ahead and reattach, making sure that the O-ring is up. That way you're not putting it in the wrong area. Squeeze your leg together. And tighten up your Joe. So his legs are now nice and tight. This one could have used just a little bit more tape, but I'm fairly satisfied with it. Feed your O-ring back through the pelvis. Be careful not to break the crotch off on some of the ones that are more notorious for broken crotches. And the O-ring slipped out. I would, at this point, replace the O-ring, but this one is still in very nice condition. I try to keep them as original as possible. This was my first Slaughter's Marauder figure. Then I later bought Footloose. So you see the arm that's been repaired. So I'll go ahead and put all this together. I'll pause this to spare you guys the boredom and me the further humiliation. But you see his arm is nice and tight now. Legs are very nice. But what's good about this is if your joints are too tight or the action figure won't close right up here at the torso, you could always use less. Take it down. It's not permanent. So there you have it. Fixing your floppy Joe. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's cheap and easy. Very inexpensive. Like I said, this was $1.29 US. You could find it cheaper at other places. I would say even like a Walmart that has a plumbing department will carry that. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial. And always remember to be kind to everyone, especially be kind to animals. This is Joe Motion Videos 82 signing off. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.